Let's take a look at the LEGO Star Wars Imperial Dropship versus Rebel Scout Speeder sets. This is for 8+. It's almost 400 pieces, 383 total. And here's the different pieces we've got there. We've got the Imperial Dropship first. We'll look at that. You can see we've got the minifig Stormtrooper on top. Quite complex. We've got the others on the back there, cannons and everything. And then we've got over here a Rebel Scout Speeder, again, with the minifigs in there. We've got all the Star Wars official stuff on here with logos and all of that. And this took my kids about 2 days to put together. I think the age is probably about right on here, and I like that you get all these different really nicely themed minifigs along with this set. Now, another cool little extra that's in here is this 25 years of LEGO Star Wars QTKT droid figurine. So it's a nice hot pink droid that comes along with this set.